So here we have to calculate efficiency value. For that we have to calculate first total work done. W equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. Total work done. W equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. So we have to substitute all possible values. W equal to, what is the W1? RT1 log V2 by V1 base C plus cap W2 value capital R by 1 minus gamma into T1 minus T2. Next, so this is reverse process, that's why we have to put negative sign. RT2 log V3 by V4 base C minus capital R by 1 minus gamma into T1 minus T2. So these two values same, one is positive and one is negative, both are get cancelled. W equal to RT1 log of, so V2 by V1 base C minus R by 1 minus gamma into T1. RT2 log V3 by V4 base E. Next, here we have to find the efficiency of the engine. Efficiency represent with letter efficiency of the engine. So efficiency of the engine eta equal to heat converted into work, heat converted into work by heat taken, heat taken. So this is W by Q1. So what is the W value? This value, and Q1 value we know that. So before substituting values, here in Carnot cycle we have two adiabatic processes. So points B and C same adiabatic, and points A and D. So here from the diagram, T1 V2 power gamma minus 1 equal to T2 V3 power gamma minus 1. So T1 by T2 equal to V3 by V2 whole power gamma minus 1. So from points A and D, T1 V1 T1 power gamma minus 1 equal to T2 V power 4 gamma minus 1. So T1 by T2 equal to V4 by V1 whole power gamma minus 1. So here we have T1 by T2 value, here T1 by T2 value. Equate both values, then we get V3 by V2 whole power gamma minus 1 equal to V4 by V1 whole power gamma minus 1. So gamma minus 1 get cancelled. V3 by V2 equal to V4 by V1. Then V3 by V4 equal to, we can write V2 by V1. So here we have W value. Here V2 by V1, here V3 by V4. So for we substitute V3 by V4 plus V2 by V1, or in V2 by V1 plus we have to substitute V3 by V4. So here I am substituting V3 by V4 plus I am writing V2 by V1. Then total work done, W equal to RT1 log V2 by V1 base C minus RT2. So here I am writing log V3 by V4 plus if you have to write V2 by V1 base C. In next, W equal to R log V2 by V1 base C common. Next RT1 minus RT2. So R also common. T1 minus T2. T1 minus T2. Next, efficiency neta equal to W by Q1. What is the W? This value. capital R into log of V2 by V1 base C into T1 minus T2 by Q1. What is the Q1 value? Or T1 log of V2 by V1 base C. So this value get cancelled, R get cancelled. So neta equal to T1 minus T2 by T1. So this is the efficiency of that engine. Efficiency of that engine, or we can write neta equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. So here T1 is the source temperature and T2 is the sink temperature. T1 is the source temperature and T2 is the sink temperature. Okay, so from neta value we can say that Carnot's engine is an ideal engine and cannot be realized in actual practice due to the following reasons. We have some reasons so that we can't use in actual practice. So what the first reason means? In Carnot's engine, the heat is to be taken and rejected strictly at constant temperature. So in that engine, heat is taken and rejected strictly at constant temperature, which is practically very difficult to achieve. That process is very difficult in actual situation. And in actual engine, the temperature of hot body progressively falls as it gives heat, and that of cold body rises, it receives the heat. Next, second reason, the base of cylinder of the engine is assumed to be perfectly conducting. Here, cylinder base is perfectly conducting and other parts perfectly not conducting. This is not again possible. Next, third reason, the engine has very slow working. This engine has very slow working. The engine has very slow working. It does not matter whatever be the efficiency of the engine. If it is slow working, it may be of no use in day-to-day life. So this process working is very slow. So that's why there is no use in day-to-day life. It is perfectly reversible in its action. When the cycle is reversed, the working substance will take an amount Q2 of heat from the sink and gives out an amount Q1 of heat to the source. So the engine thus acts as a refrigerator. These features cannot be actually realized, hence it is not possible to obtain Carnot's engine in practical. So this is very difficult in practical situation. Next, Carnot's theorem. This is Carnot cycle, and next one is Carnot's theorem. Carnot is the scientist name. Carnot's theorem. So what is the Carnot's theorem definition means? According to this theorem, we can say that no engine can be more efficient than reversible engine working between the same two temperatures. No engine can be no engine can be more efficient than reversible engine than reversible engine. No engine can be more efficient than reversible engine working between the same two temperatures. Working between the two temperatures. What is the definition of Carnot's theorem? No engine can be more efficient than reversible engine working between the two temperatures. Or another statement for Carnot's theorem. So all reversible engines working between the same two temperatures have same efficiency, whatever may be the working substance. So here diagram. This is hot source. So T1 Kelvin. Next, this is cold sink. T2 Kelvin. So this is irreversible engine and this is reversible engine. So W dash, Q, here also Q minus Q minus W dash. So here we have to consider reversible engine R and irreversible engine I working with the same source and sink. Irreversible engine and reversible engine both are working between same sources and same temperatures. So for irreversible we have source and sink, and reversible this is the source and sink. So first of all here we have to consider reversible engine R and irreversible engine I working with same source and sink. So here capital I irreversible engine works in forward direction. Reversible engine works in forward direction and reversible engine works in backward direction. Reversible engine works in backward direction. Next, here let engine I observe an amount Q from source and convert a part of it into work and transfer Q minus W to sink. So here irreversible engine will observe some heat energy from hot source and convert some into work and gives some energy Q minus W to sink. Next, so here capital next let engine capital R observe an amount of heat Q dash from sink and a certain amount of work is done W dash and Q dash plus W dash gives to source. Next, so here Q dash plus W dash equal to Q, because reversible engine will gives energy is Q dash to W dash. This value equal to Q, or W dash equal to Q minus Q dash. Next, if possible, let the irreversible engine I more efficient than reversible engine. If consider I is more efficient to capital R, I efficiency always greater than reversible. If we consider, then W by Q greater than W dash by Q, or W greater than W dash. This is considered equation 1. Next, now imagine that two engines are coupled by belt in such a way that engine capital I works directly, it drives the engine capital R reversely. So the compound engine exact an amount of Q minus W dash from the sink and gives amount of heat Q to the source. Therefore, net amount of heat from the sink we can write equal to Q minus W dash minus Q minus W, then W minus W dash. So this is positive value according to equation 1. So what is the equation 1? W greater than W dash. So the above fact shows that by coupling engine, the heat observed from the sink Q minus W dash greater than heat given back to sink Q minus W. So while the source is unaffected, in this way, any amount of heat may be taken from the sink. So that we can conclude that no engine working between a source and sink can be more efficient than a reversible engine. Then coefficient of performance K equal to Q2 by W. Then Q2 by we can write Q1 minus Q2. So from this equation we can write Q equal to, if Q1 common, Q1 by, so here Q1 common, 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Then Q1 get cancelled. K equal to 1 by, or here we write Q2, then Q2 common. Q2 common, Q1 by Q2 minus 1. So T1 by T2 minus 1. Or from Q1 by Q2 equal to T1 by T2, substitute values, then we get K equal to T2 by T1 minus T2. So this is the coefficient of performance. Coefficient of performance.